Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Bench, and here today with me is Jeremy Law. We're the project managers of the 2011 UC Berkeley Concrete Canoe Team. This year, Cal Canoe drew inspiration from the Bay Area's high-tech atmosphere and combined new innovations with our already proven methods to provide you our latest product, Cybear. This year, Cal Canoe spent more time on training than we had in previous years, especially during the fall semester, in order to more effectively use our new manpower and new officers during our spring construction season. Project management is proud to report that this and other innovations allowed us to cast Cybear for less than half the cost that we initially budgeted. Cybear started its life in digital space, as the Structural Analysis Division meshed its hull into 7,500 different elements and used SAP 2000 to check 5 different loading cases. Above and beyond this traditional finite elements analysis, Cal Canoe checked an innovative time history case, varying tabular loads over time according to a cyclic function. This innovative analysis allowed us to have the best representation we've ever had of the stresses experienced during competition. With this comprehensive combination of analyses, Cal Canoe found that our critical case was the 4-person coed sprint, requiring a concrete compressive strength of 580 psi. With this goal in mind, Materials Division began its work. This year, the team started with a competition-tested mix from our 2009 canoe, Bear area, and added our own innovations to make it even more sustainable. To reduce the team's carbon footprint, Materials Division created a high-volume fly ash mix and reduced Portland cement content from 50% down to 40%, setting a new record for our cement-based mixes. Then, the team turned its attention to aggregates. Not content with anything currently on the market, Materials Division created its own sustainable aggregate from locally sourced ceramic pottery. After a specially devised grinding and sieving procedure, this aggregate was blended with recycled glass beads to yield a 100% recycled aggregate mixture. Building on experience, Cal Canoe chose to cast Cybear in a female polystyrene form. After CNC milling the specification, this form was coated with a layer of drywall and 2 coats of epoxy to provide a smooth, rigid surface for casting. Casting began with the placement of a layer of structural concrete, starting in the middle of the canoe and working out towards the end. Immediately afterwards, a layer of carbon fiber scrim was laid down and secured to the canoe using screws. Then, a second layer of concrete, a second layer of scrim, and a final layer of concrete were placed before Cybear's structural casting was complete. Extensive experience with this procedure allowed Cal Canoe to find innovative new ways to make this procedure more effective than ever before. Delamination has been a persistent problem for past canoes. This lack of bonding occurs when one layer is allowed to set before the next is placed, creating a cold joint and a weak spot in the canoe. To eliminate this issue, Materials and Construction Divisions work together on a comprehensive